Many people express concern that, with technology advancing day by day, it will eventually replace jobs, leaving millions unemployed. But on the other hand, there's an aspect that often goes unnoticed: the jobs that technology will create, not destroy. But remember that these roles will demand new skills, fresh creativity, and a renewed sense of passion. Here are 15 technological sectors that will create 1 billion jobs in the future, or maybe in 5 to 6 years. You never know. Number 15. SCADA. Have you ever wondered how your personal data is protected from cyber attacks, or how your online privacy is ensured? Well, these problems are handled by none other than data security control and data acquisition. Data acquisition is basically how we collect and analyze data from different sources, like sensors, devices, websites, etc. On the other hand, data security control is how we protect our data from hackers, errors, or disasters. Both are very important for businesses to make smart decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Therefore, there will be a high demand for experts who can master these skills and help organizations achieve their goals. Number 14, IT audit, is the process of examining and evaluating the information technology systems, policies, and procedures of a company. It helps to identify and mitigate the risks and threats that could compromise the data and systems of the company. As technology becomes more advanced and prevalent in every industry, there is a growing need for IT auditors who can assess the IT systems and controls and ensure that they are aligned with the business goals and objectives. Well, according to Indeed.com, there are over 3,000 IT audit jobs available in the U.S. with an average salary of $88,000 per year. Number 13, governance, risk, and compliance. Now, GRC could mean a lot of things to different people or many things to the same person. Imagine a job that requires a blend of detective-level scrutiny, strategic planning, and a solid moral foundation. That's what defines the role of a GRC analyst. In a broader sense, it is how to best run a business. GRC certainly is not a specific field, but it could be implemented in all departments. Starting a career as a GRC analyst usually involves a mix of education, skills, and a true dedication to supporting ethical business standards. The journey typically kicks off by establishing a strong understanding of risk management, regulatory landscapes, and corporate governance. It's certainly a scary world out there, with seemingly increased risks all the time, and with increased risk comes increased regulation. Number 12, robotic process automation. Robotic process automation, or RPA, is a way of using software robots to do boring and repetitive tasks that humans don't like to do. For example, copying and pasting data, filling out forms, logging into systems, and so on. You know, the kind of stuff that makes you want to take a nap at your desk. RPA is great for businesses because it can save time, money, and errors. Imagine if you could spend your day doing something you love instead of staring at a spreadsheet. Wouldn't that be awesome? RPA is not the same as artificial intelligence because AI is more about thinking and learning, while RPA is more about doing and following. According to a study by MarketWatch 1, the global RPA market size is expected to grow at a CAGR of 24.31% during the forecast period, reaching 13,172 million by 2028. This means that there will be a lot of opportunities for RPA professionals who can design, develop, and manage RPA solutions for different industries and domains. Number 11, blockchain. Blockchain technology is known for powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and has grown far beyond just digital money. Imagine it as a super secure and transparent way of handling transactions, records, and digital stuff across different fields. So, have you ever thought about making a career in the world of blockchain? Well, guess what? It's not just for tech geeks. There's a whole bunch of jobs waiting for you. If you love coding and tech stuff, being a blockchain developer could be your jam. But yes, if numbers and finance are more your thing, you might be perfect for a gig as a blockchain consultant, especially in the financial world. Number 10, Internet of Things. IoT stands for Internet of Things, which means a bunch of devices that can talk to each other and to the internet. For example, your smartwatch can tell your phone how many steps you took today, or your fridge can order milk online when it runs out. Pretty cool, right? IoT can create a lot of jobs in the future because there are so many things that can be connected and improved with IoT. For instance, IoT can help farmers monitor their crops and animals, or doctors track their patients' health remotely, or drivers avoid traffic jams and accidents. To work in IoT, you need to have some skills in technology, such as programming, engineering, or design. You also need to be creative, curious, and problem-solving, because IoT is all about finding new ways to connect and use data. Number 9. Renewable energy. May have heard of renewable energy resources when you were in school, right? They are the sources of energy that come from nature and can be replenished over time. There are many cool and innovative technologies in renewable energy, such as floating solar panels and biomass gasification. There will be a lot of jobs in renewable energy in the future because more investments, innovations, and policies are needed to support the transition. You can work with renewable energy technologies if you have skills in engineering, design, installation, maintenance, and management. Number 8. Genomics. Genomics is the study of the complete set of genetic information in living organisms. It is a rapidly evolving field that has the potential to transform medicine, agriculture, biotechnology, and many other sectors. Genomics can help us understand the causes and treatments of diseases, create new crops and animals, develop novel drugs and therapies, and enhance our knowledge of life itself. Number 7. 3D printing. Now let me tell you one thing. 3D printing is not just a hobby for nerds and makers. It is a game-changing technology that can create anything from art and jewelry to houses and organs. 3D printing can revolutionize various industries and sectors, such as manufacturing, healthcare, architecture, education, and more. It can also create new jobs and careers for people who are skilled and creative in using this technology. Imagine being able to design and print your clothes, furniture, gadgets, or even food. The possibilities are endless with 3D printing. That's why it has so much potential for the future. Number 6. Extended reality, XR. Extended reality is a term that encompasses various technologies that create immersive and interactive experiences, such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality. XR can enhance our perception of reality by adding virtual elements, replacing physical surroundings, or blending both. After watching Vision Pro's success, I believe you already recognize that XR has significant potential to generate new jobs and careers in the future. Number 5. DevOps. DevOps is one of the most in-demand skills in the IT industry, as more and more organizations realize the benefits of adopting a DevOps approach. According to a report by Grand View Research, the global DevOps market is expected to reach $12.85 billion by 2025, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 18.6%. Well, the report also states that DevOps can help reduce the time to market by 50%, improve the quality of software by 60%, and increase customer satisfaction by 70%. DevOps is not only a lucrative career option but also a rewarding one. DevOps engineers are constantly learning and improving their skills as they have to adapt to the changing needs and expectations of the market. Number 4. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technological sector that will create 1 billion jobs in the future, as it is one of the most popular and powerful ways of delivering software and services over the internet. Cloud computing is a key driver of digital transformation and innovation, and a vital skill for the future workforce. Cloud computing enables businesses and individuals to access and use powerful computing resources and services without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure and management. Number 3. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the art and science of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. Without cybersecurity, we would be living in digital chaos, where hackers could steal our identities, money, and secrets. According to a study by Cybersecurity Ventures, the global cybersecurity workforce gap, the gap between existing cybersecurity workers and cybersecurity jobs that need to be filled, will reach 3.5 million. This means that there will be a huge shortage of qualified cybersecurity professionals in the market and a huge opportunity for those who want to pursue a career in cybersecurity. Number 2. Data science and analytics. Have you ever wondered how companies like Spotify can recommend songs that match your preferences? Or how Facebook or Twitter can show you ads that are relevant to your interests? Well, these are all examples of data science and analytics in action. Data science and analytics are two related but distinct fields that involve working with data to gain insights and solve problems. Data is the foundation of many AI tools and applications, such as ChatGPT and Sora. Data science and analytics are among the most in-demand and high-paying sectors in the IT industry, and they will continue to grow and create more jobs in the future. Number 1. Artificial intelligence. At the top of the list, we have AI. Yay! Now, as you know, I know, and everyone knows, there's a reason why it claims the number 1 spot. AI encompasses 3 sub-niches poised to create 1 billion jobs in the next decade: machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. You guys already know how fast AI is evolving. From ChatGPT to Sora, the text-to-video model that can create realistic videos up to a minute long from text instructions, AI has shown remarkable progress and potential in the past few years. And we don't know what AI will be capable of in the next couple of years. But one thing is for sure, there will be thousands of job openings in this sector, because AI is used by every sector we discussed. Well, what do you think? Which sector suits you best and why? Let us know in the comment down below. Check out these videos on your screen for more interesting and AI-related content.